Just a quick video to show you how to insert image files into Cricut Design Space. So first things first, open up Cricut Design Space and start a new project. Then we want to click on the upload button over here at the bottom. We want to click on upload an image and then browse and select where the image is from. When selecting the image type that you want to insert is the SVG, so the one that says SVG here at the end, and also in the type it says that it's a scalable vector graphic, and then we open that up. It inserts into Design Space without us needing to do any editing. It's all just ready to go. You can change the name or add tags if you want to, and then click Save. Now that it's there, we can see it's been uploaded over here, and we can click on the image and press Insert, and that'll put it into our canvas on our workspace. It's ready to go as is. If you would like it to cut it like that, just come over and click Make It, and Cricut will separate out the colours. So we've got the black image and text on one all lined up ready to go. We've got the blue being put on a blue mat and the pink being put onto a pink mat. Alternatively, you can do any sort of resizing or changing of colours in here before you cut it. So you can click on each of the parts, and maybe you want to cut it in pink. If you do change the colours, you then want to group the colours that are the same together by welding them so that there's no join lines, so we'll do that as well. And then if we go over into Make It, we can see that it's all been put onto the pink mat. If we zoom in, we can see that the wings are attached to the body. It's not going to cut them separately, and it's ready to go.